I was a student. I left Aberystwyth 25 years ago. I graduated 25 years ago in 1992. I was very active, I think, in the student union in the university. Had some of the best times in Aber. Aber is a place that I think for many of us as undergraduates, because of the environment you're in, because of the surroundings, it gives an opportunity for a greater level of interaction between students. I made many friends here. I've learned many things. I've learned about the Welsh culture, for example, and many cultures of international students, and that's helped me along in what I've done in life. I studied law. I practiced as a lawyer for a while, and then I moved on into telecommunications. I then became a regulator. From there I moved on and did some things on the internet at the global level. I became chairman of a global government organization on the internet governance. The legal degree that I had from Aberystwyth has always helped me in one way or another in the career pursuit that I have. And right now I'm in the corporate advisory space back in the private sector. It's a very special day to be back in Aberystwyth today after having left the university for 25 years. It's very nice and touching to be recognized by the university, and I'm slightly overwhelmed, to be honest. So all I can say at this point in time to the university, to the Senate, to the Council, diolch yn fawr. Thank you.